I wanted to print this blooming onion I found on Thingiverse just to see if my new printer could print an assembly really well. And this was all printed as one piece. There was no assembly to this. Like I said, it's called the Valentine's Blooming Flower on Thingiverse. All I did was pull it down and print it, and I mean, look. Now, typically you print something for Valentine's Day in red, but I had some green laying around and thought I'd give this a try. You can see the threaded mechanism in here, and pretty impressed with the Creality, the new Creality 10S Pro. Actually have it printing something else I got on Thingiverse over here. I'll show you that in a second, but I mean, it actually comes together really nice. I did a time lapse of this as well. I'll put that up in a little while, probably this weekend. But once again, I mean, you can see I have it here because this is rubber and I can actually do this with one hand. Once again, you can just see it functioning really well, right down into the gears turning. Finish actually came out really nice. I was pretty impressed. Trying some new material I got here. This is some True Purple from Hatchbox. This is actually a phone holder. I pulled this off of Thingiverse as well. Didn't design it myself. Can't take any credit for either one of these. I'll be working on some new designs here in the near future. But this is the new printer. I've been printing quite a few things on it. It actually functions really well. I'm using the external silicone heater on this. Heats up a lot faster, maintains a much better heat. I'm really enjoying that as well. Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll have some more cool stuff coming soon.